In today's video, we are going to cover how to get a virtual card on Wise. Start by logging in to your Wise account, enter your account credentials, complete any sign-in checks if they appear, and wait for the main account screen to load. Once you are inside your account, look to the left side of the page where the navigation menu is displayed. From that left sidebar, click Cards. This opens the section where Wise shows the cards connected to your account, including any physical or digital options that are available to you. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until the card options are fully visible before moving on. Next, click Order a new card. This takes you to the card selection flow. On the Choose Your Wise card page, look for the option labeled Digital Only. When you find it, click Get it instantly. This selects the virtual card option rather than a physical card that would be mailed to you. Wise will then show you the digital card details before creation. Take a moment to review what is shown on screen so you know you are creating the correct type of card for your account. When you are ready to continue, click Choose Color. This moves you to the next screen where you can pick the appearance of the virtual card in your Wise account. Select the card color you prefer from the available choices. The color selection only affects how the card is displayed in your account, so choose the option you want and continue once it is selected. After that, click Create your digital card. At this point, Wise will begin generating the virtual card. Wait while the card is being created. This usually takes only a short moment, and you should remain on the page until the process finishes and a new digital card appears in your account. Once the card has been created, open your new digital card to view its details. This is where you can access the information associated with the card and confirm that it is now active in your Wise account. Review the card details shown on screen, and from here you can begin using the card for online purchases wherever the card is accepted. That completes the process of getting a virtual card on Wise. You started by signing in, opened the card section, chose to order a new card, selected the digital only option, reviewed the digital card details, picked a card color, and created the card. Once Wise finished setting it up, you opened a new digital card and viewed its details so it was ready to use for online payments. Your Wise virtual card is now created and ready for online purchases.